Early morning stop for a coffee before we hit the helicopter. How you feeling, Michael? Excited?
Yep.
First chopper flight?
Oh, it's my second, but first decent.
Oh, is it your second?
Yeah, I did one over in Gold Coast.
Alright. Oh, this is different. It's your first. But we get a bacon and egg butt. Looks interesting. Bacon and egg butt. And a coffee. Right, so check this out. We just got dropped off. I think we're about 1700 metres. The gear's been dropped off at camp down at the bivvy. Then the chopper pilot finally dropped us off on the tops for a night. We was meant to be turning shit tomorrow, so hopefully we'll be right. So we got Michael over there behind us. But the helicopter pilot's just about to take off in the background. Fucking awesome, amazing. I love it. Fucking Bonzo. Beautiful. Water up there. So, bang on 12 o'clock. Michael was just walking along this bridge and I thought, oh, we'll go camp at a different spot, and Michael was a bit reluctant to, but he decided to. And we just came around and seen it here, so Michael, well done mate, you just knocked over your first stag, spiker. And there was a cheeky little goat there, so I fucking blew that away as well, so well done mate, 12 o'clock and you got your first stag down. We could go down and drink piss now. We wanted you to get your first stag, so done. Good effort. Now the big haul.
Yeah, now we've got to get our gear to our campsite and get the stairs and we go.
Good effort, right. Here comes Michael. Back legs on his backpack. Don't have too much of a climb. We shot them from up over. We shot the deer and the goat from up over there. So I didn't might carry the whole thing out. Front shoulders weren't the best, but got the back legs, back steaks. Heart. Looking forward to that tomorrow with a bit of bread and onion. So we just got to go to the spur over here, and down over the other side, and then set up camp. What is it? It's 1:30, so we should be there by 2 o'clock. Oh, Mike's just having a bit of a rest. You alright, mate? Nice. Using muscles you haven't used for a while.
No? Recording. Yeah, you got one.
I got two.
You definitely got one.
Oh, we just woke up. Well, we woke up about an hour and a half ago. Packed up camp for the night. We spent a night on the semi-tops. It rained most of the night, just light. As you can see, it's a bit fucking cloudy and miserable, and we've got to end up all the way down the bottom at the river. So we've got about a 500 metre descent in the rain. Mike's got an additional, I'd say 20 kgs of meat. We boned it out last night in his pack, so he's fully loaded. I might take him the long way just for the hell of it. So, river's in sight, just down there. Mike is somewhere up there. So you can see him just kept poking or falling through the trees. Go this way. He's up there somewhere. Tilt you back a bit more. He's up there. So it's 9:30. What a fucking bash. Rain came in a bit harder. We've been bashing down this fucking gut. It's all fucking windfall and everything else. And slippery as God knows what. I think Michael's pack's fucked, hanging on by threads. But the river's just down here, and then it's to the hut. Fabulous. And we're recording. So, pissing down outside. It wasn't pissing down when we got up, but I went for a poo and then it started pissing down. So then I went and washed the bits and then it started pissing down even more. So here we are, just having a snooze. It's about that time. We might have a boil up, have another feed, or boil the jug. And then maybe a beer. A beer might be a good idea. I might have a beer. Oh shit, she's a bit wet. That's nastiness. Tarp's got a big puddle on it. Oh, nearly fell over. Nothing out there. So we're just kind of killing time, waiting. Once it stops raining a bit, we're going to head back up that way there. Huh?
How's the pointing game?
Pointing game. I'm just pointing the camera in that direction. I'm not trying to go, we're going up there. Yes, every time I point in the camera and say, oh, we'll go to that hill up there, it ends up being miles away. Other than now, I kind of got it, but before the camera was on the thing. Anyway, bye. Team out, doing me proud. Covered in blood, fit. Back legs, front shoulders, or front legs, and back steaks in there. Not a big pack, but not a wee one. Awesome frame on it. Worked a treat.
Another belly. And I'm shot by Mike, 208 metres. Straight through the neck, believe it or not. Awesome shot. Another. This one's calling to this one.
This is our camp, just blown over. And Michael's setting up some device called rope. Rope to tie off tarp. So in here you have the what we like to call the front patio. Front patio, Mike? Front patio. Then, just got to watch out for the internal drip in the front patio. Then we have the sleeping quarters. In the back there's the armoury. No, armoury there for the goats that wander around. And out here, the living room. It's amazing, it's spacious. There's the kitchen bench. Lunch. Deer heart, onions, garlic butter and tenderloin. Bush tucker. Fuck, it smells amazing. Got our fireplace. Mike's gonna make some scones later in the old Dutch oven, so we'll check out, see how that goes.
Oh,
For a whole lot of goats, some pigs, because they ran away. So we carried on, saw a ginger goat, so I wanted to shoot that.